maalinta shaqaalaha adduunka ee kowda May ayaa laga xusay dalka Sweden. maalintan oo caalamka oo dhan laga xuso ayaa waxa isu soo bax ballaaran ka sameeyay magaalada Flen ee dalka Sweden. shaqaalaha ku dhaqan magaaladan iyo nawaaxigeeda. shaqaalahan ayaa socod ku soo maray magaalada dhexdeeda iyadoo kooxaha bamboyduna ay horkacayeen kuwaasoo ugu dambeyntii isugu tagay faras magaalaha. maalintan oo shaqaale weynaha caalamku ay ku muujiyaan xaqooda iyo xuquuqda ay leeyihiin iyo waliba dhibaatooyinka ay shaqada kala kulmaan ayaa waxa maanta khudbad aad u dheer u jeediyay gudoomiyaha magaalada Flen Master Jon Erik isagoo ka hadlay shaqo la'aanta iyo sidii shaqaaluhu ay u heli lahaayeen dalyeer gaar ah. Master Erik oo aanu wax ka weydiinay shaqo la'aanta ka jirta magaalada Flen iyo nawaaxigeeda iyo guud ahaan dalka Sweden ayaa sheegay in dadaal weyn u gali doonaan sidii loo yareyn lahaa shaqo la'aanta isla markaana ay u sameyn lahaayeen fursado shaqo.
I think it's a disaster that so many people are unemployed, and it's a shame for Europe, for example. We have so much resources that we can manage to give people work and give them freedom to make their own decisions of their lives.
Okay, especially for Flen, there is too much people for unemployment. Especially we see the Somalian, they are too much. They are not working. And do you have any plan for this?
What we're working on is first the school. It's very important to get the right education so you can manage to come to work. And it depends on what background you have. If you don't have the knowledge and educations, you need to have new skills, and that's the first thing. The other thing is we have to have good communications with the other towns where there might be more work. Flen has lost about 2,000 working places the last 20 years, so it's very difficult. But we have had very good, very much, places for people to live on, flats and so on. And therefore many people move here, but there are no work. So that's a big problem. We're working with a community and with different factories and so on to try to find development.
Okay, what's your plan for future to development for this Flen town?
Yeah, the three most important thing is the school. It has to be good school with good quality. We have to see that we have communications so people can go to work, and we have to have the good plan for living and flats and so on. That's the three most important things for the society. I think Flen is fantastic. I've been here since 1971, and I have 4 kids that have gone in school and so on, and it's gone well with them. But we have to do a much better school. Today it's not good, but we are on the road.
Okay, Mr. Jon Erik, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Farhad Abdullahi Mohammed, Television Caalamiga Home Cable TV, dalka Sweden.